pick something to eat. Cats. Mirchi, mirchi, mirchi. Hi guys, hello, hello, hello. ये पूरा वीडियो मैं ऐसे शूट करने वाली हूँ because I got an uninvited guest on my face और उसकी position is so weird. कल रात तक नहीं था ये. Okay, anyways, क्या आप लोगों ने अपनी लाइफ में कभी भी ये वंडर करा है कि what kind of a vegetable you are? Even if you've not, BuzzFeed has a solution for a problem which never existed. This is a quiz जिसमें oh by the way we're gonna do different weird अतरंगी अजीबो-गरीब quizzes from BuzzFeed. By the way, अगर तुम्हें पता भी चल जाए कि तुम कैसी vegetable हो, is someone going to eat you? No. Are you going to cook yourself? No. What is the point of this quiz? I don't. Which vegetable dish would you want to be in? See, without a doubt, pizza. बाकी चीजें मुझे समझ में भी नहीं आ रही है क्या है यहाँ पे.
Stop it. Get some help.
I'm gonna go with pizza. Frozen food. Have you seen the amount of reviews I do on frozen foods? There's no way. मेरा तो time किसी और aisle में जाता ही नहीं है. बाकी चीजें I order from Big Basket या मतलब. What's your favorite way to eat a vegetable? Not eating it.
I am the one, the way your son.
Finally, choose a word to describe you that could also be used to describe a vegetable. And ladies and gentlemen, out of these options, a few of them are ripe, tender and juicy. कि ये quiz किसने बनाई? मैं अपने आप को ripe, tender या juicy कैसे बोल सकती हूँ? अगर उससे मन नहीं भरा तो they've added rotten also. मतलब तुम्हारी personality rotten. We'll do one thing. Let's choose rotten and see कि हम कौन सी सब्जी बनते हैं. I'm a pepper. I'm tikhi mirchi. Look, I miss you, miss tumko, Mrs. Banana. That's the song, no? Mirchi, mirchi, mirchi. I'm a pepper. This quiz is how old is your soul? And since I want this quiz to think that I am like a 3-4-year-old, I'm going to jump into an empty pool. Not exactly jump, I'm scared. This is broken. How? No, how old is my soul? इस क्विज के बिना ही बता देती हूँ मैं 3-4 साल के बच्चे हूँ जो ऐसे खाली पूल्स में घुस के टाइम पास कर रहे हैं. But let's go. Which of these colors speaks to you the most? कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा. कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा. BuzzFeed, your quiz is shitty. The colors are not speaking to me. Imagine you can only use one emoji for the rest of your life. Which one would it be? It's not going to be a bangan. These two emojis are so, I don't know, again perverted. I don't know what BuzzFeed is trying to do. I'm just gonna go with this because this is like the most neutral emoji out of all these. I can't use the laughing emoji because if someone texts me, hey, I lost my dog, can't do that. Your friends would most likely describe you as, my friends would describe me as Jhalli. That's what most of my friends call me. But if I was my friend, I would call myself all of the above. Which couch would you most likely take a nap on? See, I would like to take a nap on a bed, not on a couch. But sure, we will just go with some random couch because हमारे पास घर नहीं है, हमारे पास बेड नहीं है और हम couch पे सोएंगे. My soul is 2,333 years old. I swear to God, I don't think a 2,333-year-old soul would be in the middle of an empty pool. How do I get out of this thing? This thing is broken. Seems like a bad decision. Yes. Did it. Mission accomplished, getting out of the pool. आज के एपिसोड में हम पता करने वाले हैं if I'm an alien and if I should be like experimented on by scientists. So if you're a scientist, stop watching right now. Really stop watching, because if the people at my planet find out you know our secrets, I'm going to be in big trouble. Stop watching. Are you green? Should I paint myself green? No. Maybe a little. Yes. No. Maybe. Depends on the time of day. Do you frequently have strange dreams? So once I kind of had this dream that I was 14-15-year-old and I kind of hurt my sister, and then I locked myself in a room. And then when I grew up, my parents died and I had to come out of the room and rule the people, and then I ran off into some place. Pick something to eat. Cats. I can't eat. Oh, even better, I photosynthesize. Sunlight, water, sunlight, food. I'm full now. सुबह से कुछ खाया नहीं है, but I photosynthesize. Spam. I'm gonna go with Reese, okay? और कुछ नहीं खा सकती मैं इसमें से. How big are my eyes, dude? Pretty large. Let's go with pretty large. Does technology malfunction when you're around? Technology का तो पता नहीं, but any phone I have is always broken. Is this? No, that is the phone that's broken. So let's go with sometimes. I feel like I want to be an alien and I'm doing all this stuff just so that the quiz can say I'm an alien. I'm half alien. Now the real question is which one of your parents is an alien? Hello mom. So our conclusion is I'm a 2333-year-old half alien pepper. That's me, you guys. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe, comment करके मुझे बताओ कि आपकी favorite quiz कौन सी थी, and I'll link in the description जो भी quizzes है, and if you want you guys can try it out. Okay, bye!